Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Stephen A. Williams, president and founder of the creditrepairshop.com. There is looks like what's happening now with the debt collection industry. I had just got off the phone for a client with a debt collector. I had not heard of them before, um, and what I went ahead and checked out their website to see what they're doing, and I had noticed that they're collecting debt and they're trying to go back to the old style, which is to make a commission on the debt. Their website says you don't, nothing collected, you don't pay. And that used to be around with a lot of companies back in the past, and a lot of them had got away from doing it. They had rather started buying the debt and trying to collect it. But some of these new pop-up companies, what they're doing is and I'm not saying that this one is new, but what they're doing is they're going back to that old traditional style of debt collecting where you just, they make a commission on what is collected. And this one here that they're trying to collect is a Santander one from a repossession over, I think, $14,000. So they feel that that's a good risk, and they probably are, I don't know what they negotiate. Maybe we'll find it here. But this is the form. If a business wants to have some debt collected, it shows here collect only from individuals or collect from businesses, both. So that they're taking clients that are looking to collect from consumers and businesses. And then it says here roughly how much money are you looking to collect. So it has here, as you can see, and then it has how many accounts you're looking to collect on. Has that to fill in, and then how many employees do you have? This is probably just trying to see what type of income your business is doing, so they can see if you're a good fit for working with them. Then it has here how long has it been outstanding. So you can see they're even going more than 2 years. So that's getting into a statute of limitations issue. And then it has here the different industries that they're collecting for. You can see all these different types of industries that they're collecting for. So this seems to be a new strategy uh, that's coming back around, or maybe more companies are doing it, and I just haven't been aware of it. But this was the way that they used to collect debts in the past, is they would hire collection agencies, and we've had some in the past for my other marketing company, but I haven't heard of them doing this in a while. But they would just call you and say, hey, if give us those accounts and we'll do 50-50 on what we collect. Are you okay with doing that? And I never signed up for anything like that, but I know that there's other companies that have, and it looks like this is something that some of the old Santander debt is going through with the repo debt. So watch out for that. If you get a call from them, you need to make sure that you uh, respond to them accordingly. This company here wanted us to do it by email, which is odd, but even if you do it by email, you had a timestamp of when you sent something by email. So be careful of that, but there are companies that are willing to take more of a risk on collecting debt, and that's solely because they understand that a lot of consumers don't know their rights when it comes to companies being able to collect debt from them. You have a right to, number one, make sure that it's not past legal statute of limitations. You have a right to do a complete debt validation. When any debt collection company contacts you for debt, you have a right to do a full debt validation, which will cease all collection activities until they either get information from the original creditor or the debt collection company that handed them the debt to try to collect, or if they have control of the documents to prove that you owe the debt 100%, that they go through those files and have someone of authority from their office review them and then follow up with you on those. So if you need help with your credit, please visit us at thecreditrepairshop.com. If you need your credit reports and scores so you can see when accounts were charged off, please go to our website, the number 3scores.com. And if you choose to work with us, we're going to need those reports from that monitoring service that we refer you to. If you have debt collection letters coming at you, I have three letters below: the cease and desist collection activities, and the statute of limitations letter, and the debt validation letter. All of the links are below this video. So thank you for your time. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet. Please like this video and post your comments. I will be answering those in the feed and also in new videos. Thank you.